What's up, guys? So it is November, but we got our first Walmart Christmas video. What do they have at Walmart in the way of knives? Well, this year Ozark Trail looks like they're putting together some EDCs. How about that? Let's see what we got. We got a silver one, we got a blue one, there's a camera one. So you got full sets with a bunch of different stuff together, which is actually really cool. Let's go ahead. Let me put this back. There that goes. Look at this one. So we got a flashlight, a couple multi-tools, and a knife. It's pretty neat. This one's got a money clip. I think I like this one a little more than the others. A little pry tool. The wood one. Let's see what else we have. Oh, what's this? This one's got, oh, it's pretty cool. I like that kind of celluloid handle. It's different. It's nice to see something different. So yeah, that's pretty much it for now. Let's see this one. So we have two different pocket folders. It's pretty cool for you and a buddy. Yeah, how about that? 14 bucks. So they get into the EDC scene. All right, so the whole combo thing continues. These are all $20 sets. We got camless. Again, like, you know, it's a combo deal. So it's got a fire starter, a little survival knife, multi-tool, shovel. Here's a Arctic snow set. So flashlight, knives, multi-tools. I mean, like I said, the whole EDC thing has been pretty popular, so, you know, they're kind of running with that. But pretty cool. Some more options. All right, we're not done yet. We're climbing in price, though. We got 28 bucks. Here's some more sets. I actually think this is pretty cool. Camless set. Got a bunch of different beater knives. Here's Kershaw's set. I want to say I've seen this one before, but not 100% on that. Some camping sets here as well. It's pretty interesting. Something different. But anyway, that's it for now. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.